Hello and a very good afternoon. The top story, Congress leader Digvijay Singh's remark has sparked a new political controversy now. Taking on the Apex Court's remarks, Digvijay has said that institutions shouldn't be belittled by calling them caged parrots.
By calling CBI a parrot in cage, then a cat bench in Bangalore calls IB a chicken. Now, I have put a question to the people in general. Are we not belittling our institutions? That's it. I want you to respond.
No, sir,
and I will also request you to try and get access to all those who are calling our institutions chicken or parrot. You should take the reaction from them also.
And Madhav is joining us for more on the phone line. Now, Madhav, earlier he targeted the CVC, then the CAG, and now he's directly targeting the judiciary.
Well, that's really the big question. Digvijay Singh saying that he's only raising a question about the role of the judiciary, really. But clearly, of course, at this point of time, that's something that opposition parties are not taking very kindly to, saying that these are constitutional institutions, and certainly the misuse of CBI is what they've been alleging all along, saying that this is part of really the same misuse, really, as far or really abuse, really, of institutions which are constitutional in nature. Clearly, of course, Digvijay Singh also saying that that when you target institutions like IB or CBI, aren't you belittling these institutions? Clearly, of course, as far as both sides go in this entire debate, saying that they are speaking for the voice of really institutions that are part really of our constitution. But at some level, that remains to be seen if the Congress will really what its reaction will be as far as what Mr. Digvijay Singh has said, because he being no stranger to controversy in the past as well, the Congress has chosen to distance itself from his comments. So whether they will choose to do that this time around as well remains to be seen. But certainly the opposition continuing to target the government as far as this entire issue of CBI goes, and Digvijay Singh's remarks just giving the opposition a chance to really criticize the government, saying that such institutions are being misused.
Absolutely, Madhav, do stay on with us. And as you also rightly pointed out, the opposition has not missed this opportunity. It has in fact slammed the Congress for its comment on the CBI. Let's listen into this reaction coming in from Balbir Punj and also Ravi Shankar Prasad.
Well, nothing better can be expected from Mr. Digvijay Singh. I think it is important for him to look inwards for himself, his party, his leader and the Prime Minister. If the moral of the CBI has been downgraded, it is only because of the rank abuse of the CBI by his government. The CBI deliberately was not allowed to undertake a fair investigation. Otherwise, the minister of his government would not have sought to weaken the import of the entire CBI investigation in Colgate. Why it was done? Because the PM was involved as a coal minister. Therefore, it is the duty of the Supreme Court to ensure there is a fair investigation in massive case of corruption. Instead of blaming the highest judiciary, it is important for Digvijay Singh to learn and understand as to why there are series of a scam one after another in his government. And can we know there will be no scam again in the coming months?
जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अथॉरिटीज हैं, स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडीज हैं, उनकी ऑटोनॉमी की और उनके सम्मान की चिंता करने लग गए। ये वही कांग्रेस पार्टी है जिन्होंने CAG से लेकर और हर संवैधानिक संस्था को समय समय पर गरियाया है, और आज उनको लगता है कि CBI के बिना उनका काम नहीं चल सकता। तो इसलिए जो कोर्ट चाहता है कि CBI स्वतंत्र हो जाए, वो तो CBI की दुश्मन हो गई। और ये जो कांग्रेस पार्टी CBI का दुरुपयोग करती रही है, और जिसको बिल्कुल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी ठीक कहा, और उसकी अनुशंसा जो थी वो CBI के निर्देशक ने भी की कि ये तो पिंजरे में बंद तोता है जो अपने मास्टर की आवाज को दोहराता है। और इसलिए ये जो दिग्विजय सिंह जी ने कहा, ये हास्यास्पद बयान है उनका बिल्कुल।